Hello friends, welcome back. Today we will learn how this simple voice indicator LED circuit works using a microphone, 3 transistors, and the LM3915 IC. This idea was requested by one of the avid viewers, Mr. Hassan. You can see the details on your screens right now. Okay, so this circuit works like a sound level meter or VU meter. When you speak near the microphone, the LEDs start glowing according to the loudness of your voice. Now let us understand the circuit step by step. The microphone on the left side converts your voice into tiny electrical signals. These signals are extremely weak, so they cannot directly drive the LM3915 IC. Resistor R1 supplies the required bias current to the electret microphone. Capacitor C1 blocks the DC voltage and allows only the audio signal to pass into transistor T1. Transistor T1 works as the first audio amplifier stage. It increases the tiny microphone signal to a higher level. The amplified signal from T1 is then fed to transistor T2, which further boosts the audio signal strength. Next, transistor T3 acts as a driver stage. It increases the current capability of the audio signal so that the LM3915 input can respond properly. Capacitor C2 filters sharp spikes and provides smooth audio to the LM3915, and the resistor R2 stabilizes the output and avoids distortions. Now let us understand the LM3915 section. The LM3915 is a special LED display driver IC designed for audio level indicators and VU meter applications. As the audio signal level increases at pin number 5, the IC sequentially turns on more LEDs. For low sound levels, only 1 or 2 LEDs glow. As the sound becomes louder, additional LEDs start lighting up one after another. When the sound level becomes very high, almost all the LEDs glow together. Pin number 9 of the IC is connected to the positive supply, which enables bar mode operation. In bar mode, all LEDs up to the active level remain illuminated. If pin 9 is disconnected, the IC works in dot mode, where only one LED glows at a time. The R7, R8, and C4 network controls the sensitivity and smoothness of the display response. Preset R8 can be adjusted to increase or decrease microphone sensitivity. Capacitor C4 helps reduce flickering and makes the LED movement smoother. Resistor R9 sets the LED brightness and internal reference current of the LM3915 IC. The complete circuit can operate from a simple 3V to 5V DC supply, making it suitable for battery-powered projects also. So the overall working is very simple. Voice enters the microphone. The signal gets amplified through T1, T2, and T3. Finally, the LM3915 converts the audio level into a beautiful moving LED display. This circuit can be used as a voice indicator, sound level meter, music-led display, microphone tester, or simple VU meter project. So that's it, friends. If you enjoyed this detailed explanation, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.